What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I became a professional airstriker inside of Animal Company. Make sure you claim your OG tickets before we hit 1,000 subscribers, helps my channel out a lot. And yeah, so I ain't wasting your time, let's just get straight into the video. Alright guys,
it's a PvP
so
bro.
we are here. Inside
it's a PvP.
We're gonna be
Wait, who
ass
wants to
striking
know what's in this
everyone.
bag?
Boom.
It's a revolver.
And yeah,
Can
so
somebody buy me a bomb? I have a revolver. Some money. There's a bomb in your bag.
there's so many
I have
we'll shoot that guy.
gambling. And can you buy me a bomb? Black. Can you buy me a bomb?
Shoot him!
Who is
No!
that? Can you buy? I need a bomb.
Yes.
Gambling.
Got him.
Don't open it.
Yeah. Wait, I think I got
Big axe for a bomb.
Nice.
Good, because they
Got
buy
him.
me up. Just stole that from me, bro. I'm gonna follow you until you give me that.
No, we stole that.
Give me.
Oh, we stole it.
Yo, no! It's my bomb!
Let's go. Hey, Black. Let's go. Did you want to hit, bro?
No, I'm so bad at this.
Did you want to hit? Come on, let's go. Hey, who's your? I don't. Hey, stop trying to kill.
Oh shoot!
I go right and watch. I straight up killed him.
Come on. I think I got him. I got both of them.
Sigmas and Skibbity.
Yo, I just knocked out a guy with a revolver. I feel bad. Yeah. I was. No! I'm so bad at this. Why is everyone lagging so much? Yo! Kill! W's as target. Did I get him? Oh. Yes! W's. This guy's wasting his ammo. Did I get him? Nope. No! It's so close. Got this.
Come to the door, buddy.
Come on, okay. Yes! Ooh!
Great.
Can I show you something?
Hey, hey,
Can I show anyone something?
I just got this unlocked.
You can't tell me something.
I'm gonna. Oh, you wanna do that? You have a flash.
You missed.
Run. I got myself a frying pan.
Give it back to him. No, it's okay. You know what? I'm gonna. Oh,
He's
hey.
dead.
No, don't record him. Don't record him. He gave it back.
Push!
No, it's good.
I said
No,
Maybe
that's
no.
my friend. Bubble, I'm
No! I just missed.
Wait, look at it.
W's?
Enough money to buy you.
No! I was so close.
Is it gonna give you?
Well, I'm so
Here, bro, here.
Okay, so
I have a bomb. I have a bomb.
Give me that. I need that.
I want it.
Come on, we gotta make this a good one. Yippee! Now guys, that will be it for the video. This video has been incredibly fun to make. This is so fun, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.